In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix connection failed error in Cloudflare. This quick walkthrough focuses on two things: making sure your computer uses reliable DNS servers and clearing your browser's saved data so old settings don't get in the way. Follow along exactly and you'll be back online in just a few minutes. Start by opening the control panel on your Windows computer. If you don't see it on your desktop, use the Start menu search to find it. Inside the control panel, click Network and Internet, then open Network and Sharing Center. In the middle of that window, you'll see your active connection listed. Click the blue link next to Connections. On many desktops, it reads Ethernet. If you're on wireless, it will show your Wi-Fi network name instead. Click that. In the status window that appears, click Properties. You may be asked for administrator permission. Choose Continue. In the list of items, select Internet Protocol version 4, also written as TCP IPv4, and click Properties. Here's where we point your computer to Cloudflare's fast, privacy-focused DNS. Select Use the following DNS server addresses. For preferred DNS server, type 1.1.1.1. For alternate DNS server, type 1.1.1.1. These servers help translate website names to addresses quickly and can resolve some connection errors caused by slow or unreliable defaults. Keep the IP settings at Obtain an IP address automatically. We're only changing DNS. Click OK, then OK again, and close any remaining windows to apply the change. Next, refresh what your browser has stored. Open your browser and click the three dots at the top right to open the menu. Choose Delete Browsing Data or a similarly named option depending on your browser. When the dialog opens, expand the time range and select all times so you clear everything that might be interfering. Make sure cached images and files are included, then confirm by selecting Delete Data. This clears old cache entries that can conflict with new DNS results. That's it. With DNS set to 1.1.1.1 and 1.8.1 and your browser cache cleared, reload the page you were trying to reach through Cloudflare. In most cases, the connection failed error disappears. If you still see issues, double-check the DNS entries for typos and repeat the cache clear. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped.